Before skyscrapers and highways, America's cities looked very different. This bustling street scene captures an era when streetcars ruled the roads and horse-drawn vehicles still shared the streets. It was a time when American cities were rapidly transforming into the urban giants we know today. Would you sit here for lunch? These fearless workers are perched hundreds of feet above the city while constructing one of America's iconic skyscrapers. With no safety harnesses, they helped build the skyline that would become a symbol of American ambition and engineering. This powerful portrait tells a story words cannot. The image shows a Native American mother and child, representing generations of indigenous people whose cultures, traditions, and histories shaped the land long before the United States existed. This is what remained after one of America's worst urban disasters. The city was reduced to ashes and rubble, leaving thousands homeless. Yet from this devastation came one of the greatest rebuilding efforts in American history, proving the resilience of its people. Believe it or not, people once crossed this bridge on horseback. This remarkable scene shows a rider making their way across a suspension bridge during its early years. At the time, crossing such a massive structure was an unforgettable experience and a marvel of engineering. This wasn't a festival, it was a race for fortune. Thousands gathered in temporary camps during America's great land rushes and frontier expansions. People traveled enormous distances, hoping to claim land, start businesses, and build a better future. Hidden deep in the woods, this operation was completely illegal. During Prohibition, moonshiners secretly produced alcohol in remote locations to avoid federal agents. The underground liquor trade became one of the most famous chapters in American history. This fragile machine helped change the world forever. Early aviation pioneers risked their lives testing aircraft that looked primitive by modern standards. Their courage and innovation paved the way for the global air travel we take for granted today. These men weren't just building a monument, they were carving history into stone. Workers posed during the construction of the famous presidential sculpture that would become one of America's most recognizable landmarks. Their work transformed a mountain into a national icon. For many families, this train represented hope. Across America, trains connected distant communities, transported workers, and carried families toward new opportunities. Railroads helped unite the nation and fueled its growth for generations. This is how America's first subway riders traveled underground. Dressed in formal clothing and top hats, these passengers are taking part in an early subway demonstration. At the time, underground rail travel seemed like a glimpse into the future. Before luxury trains, rail travel looked like this. This beautifully decorated rail car represents the golden age of railroad expansion, when trains connected distant towns and helped transform the United States into a truly connected nation. These men were America's early sky warriors. Wearing heavy insulated flight suits, pioneering aviators faced freezing temperatures and dangerous conditions. Flying was still experimental, and every mission carried serious risks. This tiny settlement would soon become a boomtown. Remote frontier communities often began as a handful of buildings along rivers or trade routes. Some eventually grew into thriving cities that helped shape America's expansion westward. This was the internet before computers. Telephone switchboard operators manually connected calls by plugging wires into massive switchboards. Every long-distance conversation depended on their speed, skill, and accuracy. Hollywood magic wasn't always glamorous. Behind every silent movie was a crowded set filled with cameras, props, technicians, and actors. Early filmmakers often improvised special effects that amazed audiences of the time. A classroom from another century. Students sat quietly at wooden desks while lessons were written on blackboards. Education looked very different, but these classrooms helped prepare generations of Americans for a rapidly changing world. This town was built around a single industry. Coal mines powered America's factories, railroads, and homes. Entire communities depended on mining, and life often revolved around the demanding work underground. Welcome to America's neon age. Bright signs, classic cars, and glowing streets turned cities into vibrant nighttime destinations. This was the era when roadside culture, entertainment, and post-war prosperity reshaped American life. Imagine working hundreds of feet above the ocean with no modern safety gear. These workers helped build one of the most famous bridges in the world. Their courage and determination turned an ambitious dream into an engineering masterpiece. If these images touched your heart, please subscribe and join us on this journey through the past.